The word for this video is gears. As a noun, gears means equipment or paraphernalia, especially that used for an athletic endeavor. As a noun, gears means clothing, garments. As a noun, gears means goods, property, household items. As a noun, gears means a wheel with grooves, teeth, engraved on the outer circumference, such that two such devices can interlock and convey motion from one to the other. A gear wheel. As a noun, gears means a particular combination or choice of interlocking gears, such that a particular gear ratio is achieved. As a noun, gears means a configuration of the transmission of a motor car so as to achieve a particular ratio of engine to axle torque. As a noun, gears means recreational drugs, including steroids. As a noun, gears means stuff. As a noun, gears means business matters, affairs, concern. As a noun, gears means anything worthless, nonsense, rubbish. As a verb, gears means to provide with gearing, to fit with gears in order to achieve a desired gear ratio. As a verb, gears means to be in or come into gear. As a verb, gears means to dress, to put gear on, to harness. As a verb, gears means usually with to or toward s, to design or devise something so as to be suitable for a particular type of person or a particular purpose. For example, they have geared the hotel mainly at tourists. As a verb, gears means to borrow money in order to invest it in assets. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.